It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Okay, in this video we are going to dive into this Gellen Professional Polygel Nail Extension Kit. Okay, they sent me this kit and they added in some beautiful stickers. Okay, I have shown you all this before. I did do a little sneak peek into this kit in one of my Sunday live videos. So if you are not a part of the Sunday live crew, okay, I need y'all to join the family, okay? Because over there, as soon as I get the stuff, I play in it a little bit and then I make a separate video using the kit. So that's what we're doing today with this kit. These are the stickers that they sent. Absolutely love them. Today I want to do like not a simple polygel kit, but I don't want to put a polygel set. I don't want to put like glitters and stickers inside, because that's what I did for these. I put the glitters and the stickers inside. So for this one, I want to put the glitters, I want to put the stickers on top, okay? And these are glow in the dark, and I think I want to do that kind of marble look like I did the last time. I really like that. So I think I want to kind of just really dig into that and maybe show you all how I did that step by step, and do an in-depth kind of close-up view of how I do my little polygel method with the dual forms. Okay, so that's what we're going to do in this video. Okay, I'm going to show you how I do my kind of marble look where all of the colors kind of just blend all together, and I'm going to show you how I apply it using my little tried and true technique. Okay, and for this video I'm going to be doing all of that on the thumb, and I'll do the rest of the nails off camera. Okay, so let's get started by adding the polygels inside of the dual form. So what I like to do, and I need to pop all of these out of here, and this kit comes with pretty much everything you're going to need. You get dual forms, the polygel, a file, and a buffer. You get a brush, you get everything you need. You get a base coat, a top coat. I mean, they giving us everything. I'm going to just put some of each kind in the dual form. Okay, I'm trying to gather my words today, and I'm trying to get my fingers together so I won't be dropping stuff. So that's what's going on with me. How are you doing today? Okay, so now that I got those open, we should be ready to continue. So I'm just going in and adding the colors. This kit doesn't come with slip solution, but you can use the base coat as slip solution if you like. So what I'm going to do is take these and just do this. I'm just going to kind of just mush them all together. And the way that I apply these this time is different than how I usually apply them. Usually I'll put like a bead on each side, but this time I just put the bead on one side so I can see how that looks. But that is virtually up to you. You can just play around with it and just have fun. I did this method in a Christmas set to get like some peppermint inspired kind of nails. So using different colors can give you like a different vibe. Okay, and this is what it looked like on the other side. So you can play around with the placement of how you place the colors in. Then you can do some little swirls. You want to make sure you pat it around the dual form like how I'm doing. And I like to do all of mine at the same time and apply all of them at the same time. So I'm going to sit this one down and do the other ones, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply this. Okay, so I have them all set up. Now it is time to apply them. So I'm going to show you with the thumbnail how I do it. So I'm going to put it here. And if you see here on the side how a little of it is coming out, I want that to happen. And I'm going to slide it forward. I'm going to kind of wiggle it forward and backwards. And I'm just going to put a little slip solution on my finger so that it won't keep sticking to that. And I want to make sure that my nail is pressed inside of there. And what comes out at the back end, I'm going to take my brush and just get this nice and flush. Just like that. And I'm going to pop it in the lamp. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones off camera. Okay, so I applied all of them and I'm just going to wiggle this off. These have these little tabs on the side, but they really don't do much. I find that if I just kind of peel it from the side, it pops off. And I'm going to go in with the file around the cuticle area to get rid of that little line of demarcation. And for the rest of the nail, I'm just going to use the buffer. I'm going to do this to all of the nails and apply some base coat, and then I'll be ready for my stickers. I kind of want to try these and do kind of like the animal print, but I also want to do some flowers. I don't know, y'all. Maybe I think these black and white bows, I think that might do it. Let's do that. Okay, so this is how the nails are looking. And this is the little ribbon that I want to apply. I'm going to first go in with the base coat. I'm going to put the ribbon in the base coat. And I'm going to do another layer of base coat. Then I'm going to cure that in the big lamp. And then I'm going to apply top coat and then cure that in the big lamp. Okay, this is how the nails look. I got a little happy with the stickers. So I went in with the bows, some lips, the word kiss, some flowers. I just had a little field day, but I think they look good on that background, so I love them. I'm going to apply some cuticle oil. And there you have it. We got them all oiled up nicely. I did top coat the top and the underside. I find that having that top coat on the bottom helps a lot when you are eating and doing other things that can stain your nails. So top coat the top and the bottom, okay? So I hope you all enjoyed this set with me using the Gellen kit. And I cannot forget these glow in the dark, y'all, okay? And I always forget to show y'all. So let me put my hand in the lamp for a second, and I'm going to turn the lights off and show y'all how they glow in the dark. All right, so I just took them out of the lamp, and I'm trying to turn this light off. And look at them glow. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this time I did not forget to show y'all, and I love how the stickers just kind of just like they glow behind the stickers, if that makes sense. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, do all of the things, okay? All of the things, share it, you know, comment under it, all of that, okay? So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will look for a link to this kit. I don't think it's on Amazon anymore, but I'll look for a link to maybe a glowing kit from them, so you all can try that out and put that under the description bar. All right, I do have a coupon code to their main website, I believe, so which is where this kit came from. So I'll link all of that under the video for y'all. And guess what time it is? Oh, we can't forget, make sure that you keep God first, family second, everything else will get in line, okay? We got to make sure we do that. All right, now guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, hello. Welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.